This 2018 Heartland Big Country 3310 QSCK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, refrigerator, self-contained, air conditioning, smoke detector, leveling jacks, TV antenna, water heater, LP detector, slide-out, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Heartland Big Country 3310 QSCK is 13,070 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.